Endless opportunities for this approximately 4 acres in the heart of Whitehouse close to Lake Tyler and schools. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage modular home sitting on 1 acre is spacious and also offers a flex space perfect for a home office, den, exercise room, etc. Wonderful open floor plan. Kitchen boasts of lots of cabinetry, island with cooktop, bar seating, dining area with built-ins, and great windows. The family room with fireplace is perfect for gathering. The primary bedroom with ensuite bath is appointed with double sinks, separate tub and shower, great storage, and walk-in closet. 2 guest bedrooms share a full hall bath and provide ample space for family or guests. There is a fenced portion of the yard great for children or pets. There are 3 total lots totaling the approximate 4 acres each with its own water well. Gorgeous trees and total privacy. Currently zoned for medium to light density. Buyer to satisfy self on City of Whitehouse restrictions. Come see. Come buy.